Welcome. Thank you for playing this video. You are so blessed to watch this. You're about to discover how amazingly you can earn thousands of dollars online using Facebook.
Oh, talaga? Pwede kumita gamit ang Facebook at kahit nasa bahay ka lang? Hindi na.
Yes, it's possible. So sit back and relax as I show you how to earn using social media like Facebook and the system of Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate or SWA Ultimate.
Ano naman yung SWA Ultimate?
SWA Ultimate is an idea formulated to provide opportunity for those who are willing to have an extraordinary income using the internet at the comfort of your home, office, or anywhere across the globe.
Oh, at hindi ba pwede dyan?
Yes, of course. Everyone is welcome to have this kind of opportunity, regardless of who you are. Maybe you are a student, employed, self-employed, businessman, housewife, or even you are an OFW, as long as you have the spare time and looking for an extra income even at home online.
1, 2. Hindi naman ako masyado magaling mag-internet eh. Paano yan?
Don't worry, as long as you know how to use Facebook, basically like sharing, wall posts, status updates, and sending messages as you usually do every day.
Wow, interesting nga yan. Tell me more about SWA. How can I be part of this opportunity?
Let me discuss further about SWA Ultimate system. First, you have to purchase the Supreme Wealth Library. It is a compilation of more than 2,100 titles worth thousands of dollars, but to be part of SWA Ultimate, you don't have to pay thousands of dollars. You can have the full access to rich people's secrets for only $60 or 2,500 pesos.
What am I gonna do with this?
Through our ultimate product, you can have more than what you pay for. And we reveal the secrets of the legendary rich people like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and a lot more. Do you want to become successful? Then all you have to do is know their secret to success, and that's what we offer here in SWA Ultimate. The only thing that never fades is the wisdom we learn throughout our lives. Remember, knowledge is power. Unlike any other programs, they mostly focus on health products that address only our health issues. But if you want to gain financial freedom, our product is the best choice. Even you will not have formal education. Once you apply the knowledge that you will learn in our products, no wonder you can be successful. As what they say, there is no such thing as money problem, but only idea problem. That's the bottom line of our business. We don't just offer opportunity, but help and educate people to create that one big idea. Ideas can be worth $1 billion. Money doesn't produce money, but idea does. So our ultimate product is that one big idea. To name a few of our compiled 2,100 plus titles inside the library are the legend titles that made successful people in our history. We have The Secret of Success by William Walker Atkinson, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Waddell, Positive Attitude for Unlimited Success, The Path of Prosperity by James Allen, How to Overcome Failure and Achieve Success by Napoleon Hill, and a whole lot more.
Maganda nga yung product na in-offer. Pero, gusto kong malaman kung paano nang nakikita dyan.
Alright, let's get down to business. First, you will be given a free website wherein all the people who want to join you can easily check your sign-up link. You will have the access to our products anytime, your unique website URL link, your matrix and genealogy, all the transaction details about your earnings, and a lot more are all for one in your online account. Through our perfect pay plan SOA system, the 2x2 dynamic follow matrix fastest earning potential, and the Infinity 3-up fast up largest infinity potential is all we have to gain financial freedom at home. In this P3S system, your $60 or 2,500 pesos is basically well distributed. First, $5 is for admin maintenance, $35 is for the 2x2 matrix system, and lastly, the remaining $20 will be for our Infinity Fast Up system. We will discuss first the 2x2 dynamic follow matrix. In this system, all you have to do is fill your matrix with 6 people, those who will purchase our products under you. Then, automatically earn $70 or $90. We have many ways to strategically fill and complete your matrix. One way is through teamwork. This is you, the blue man icon. Then, these 2 colored man icons are your direct referrals, and both of them referred 2 people as well. Then you completed your matrix. That entitles you to have a $70 bonus, plus you will have another matrix to fill in. No worries, it is for free. You don't need to pay $60 again. Then, through teamwork as well, your first direct referral have completed this matrix. He earned $70 and he follows you to your new matrix. Then, your second referral do so as well. This time, as you can see, you only need 4 slots to complete your second matrix. It's either you fill it up or both of them, and once you complete it, another $70 for you. What about the long-term scenario in this pay plan? Your direct referrals will be represented by these colored man icons, and both of them referred 2 people under them. Then on your new matrix, you referred 4 of them, and the rest referred by one of your referrals to complete your matrix. Another new matrix for you, but this time, most of your direct referrals completed their matrices as well, so they will follow you on your vacant matrix. As you can see, all of your direct referrals completed their matrices, and all of them will eventually fill your matrix. That's another $70. So you have another new matrix. You referred 2 new direct referrals, then they complete your matrix again. Both of them completed their matrix and followed you. And the cycle goes on. Here's the catch. The most important scenario is the more you refer, the faster you cycle. Another scenario. This is you, and you refer just 1 productive person, and you stop. But he continued to refer people to complete his matrix. He cycled and earned $70. The best part is that since you have a vacant slot here, automatically he will have a new matrix on that. And when he continuously refers people to join this program, the moment he fills the remaining 2 slots in your matrix, there you have it, an instant $70 for you. So he continued, and this is exciting. Once you refer more than 7 people every following cycle, that you will have is $90 lifetime. That's $20 bonus on top of your $70 every cycle. Let's proceed to the Infinity 3-Up Pass-Up system. In this pay plan, we have 100% payout. You will earn the whole $20 in every direct referral that you have. As you can remember, the $20 is allotted for this. But let me explain further about the rules. So this is your upline, or your referrer, and this is you. We are only talking about direct referrals here. In every direct referral that you have, first you will get the $20 as a commission bonus. Then on your second referral, the $20 bonus will be passed up to your upline. Same with the third. But with the fourth, fifth, and sixth, you will get the $20 each. And the last referral bonus of $20 that you will pass up is your seventh direct referral. So the rest of your referrals beyond 7 or 8 onwards, you will all get the $20 commission. No more $20 will be passed up. In this system, the most exciting part is that when you receive pass up. As you can see, the referrals of your first, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 8 onwards direct referrals, their second, third, and 7th direct referrals will all be passed up to you. So what about your second, third, and 7th direct referrals? To whom they will pass up their second, third, and 7th referrals as well? All of the second, third, 7th of your second, third, and 7th direct referrals will be passed up to your upline. How did it become an infinity system? Let's summarize. Again, we are only talking about your direct referrals here. So you pass up your second, third, and 7th referrals. It's time for you to reap the harvest of having passed up. So your first, fourth, fifth, and sixth times 3 or second, third, and 7th referrals is equals to 12 people times 3 pass up equals 36 people times 3 pass up equals 108 people times 3 pass up again equals 324 people, and so on. Again, it's 12 plus 36 plus 108 plus 324 is equals to 480 people that will pass up to you their $20, and once you compute it, it's big, and that's how infinity works in our system. Come think with me, what about you refer more than 8 people in this program? That's perfect to receive a whole lot more of $20 just being passed up to you, up to infinity in your lifetime. This is the summary of our 2 pay plans. The dynamic follow matrix on the left side, while the infinity 3-up pass up on the right. This is you, and this is your upline. For example, you refer all of the first 6 people to fill in your matrix. How much will you earn on your first cycle? Let's compute. This is your first referral. Then in infinity pass up, you earn $20. Your second referral and his $20 will be passed up to your upline. Same with your third referral, having him earn a total of $40, but your fourth, fifth, and sixth referrals, their $20 in each will be passed up to you. And in dynamic follow matrix, you earn $70, and a total of $80 in infinity pass up system, wherein you completed your first cycle and earning a total of $150 in just referring 6 people.
Networking pala yan. Pero maganda siya kasi sa bahay lang, tapos online pa. Galing. So, tataka ako Tignan ba yan?
Supreme Wealth Alliance Ultimate P3S system is a 100% online business program managed by Supreme Wealth Alliance Corporation. a duly registered international business company or IBC. These are the documents, and our global headquarters is located at the 5th floor of Marina Towers, Newtown Barracks, Belize City, Belize in Central America. Our international license and legal documents gives us the power to operate worldwide and cater all interested individuals across the globe who are willing to make this program as their partner to attain financial success in life.
How will I receive my money if the transaction is online?
We expand our payout options for your total convenience. You can receive your earnings in this program through our national banks like Union Bank, BDO, BPI, PNB, HSBC, Metro Bank, RCBC, China Bank, and a lot more. If you are located outside the Philippines, you can still receive your payouts through AlertPay, now it's Visa, or through PayPal, which you can link with your international bank account, and once you receive your earnings, you can now easily transfer your money to your bank account online without any hassle. Or through money transfer options like Western Union, MoneyGram, LBC Remit, Mluwalier, and Cebuana, though charges may apply. And lastly, you can also receive your payout through mobile transfer like Smart Money or Globe GCash. Our goal is to serve you as you receive your payouts in this amazing program anywhere across the globe.
Paano ba tayo kumita dyan? Baka ma-scam yan.
Maybe some of you still have doubts and in fear of joining SWA Ultimate, or asking if the company really pays its members who really earn in this program. So, let's hear a short testimony from one of its top earners. In fact, this guy earned $10,000 or $400,000 in a matter of 10 months. Not only that, the company also awarded him with a cool gadget. It's the Nikon D5100 DSLR as an incentive when he achieved a certain requirement in a gadget promo of SWA Ultimate. Without any further ado, let me introduce Mr. Johnny Bodegas and be inspired as we listen to this amazing story in SWA Ultimate.
Hi guys, I'm Johnny Bodegas and I'm a member of SWA Ultimate since February 2012. My goal right now while I'm sharing this opportunity to you is that first, I want to disturb you. In a sense, you have to realize something very important in life. Second, I want to motivate you that you must have hope in the future regardless of what your situation right now. So, diretsahan. Malaki bang 2.5 o maliit? Sa mga nagsasabing malaki, the moment na may nag-offer sa iyo na yung opportunity na 10,000 to 20,000 na kikitain mo, igagrab mo na kagad. Pero, in reality, minsan, hindi tayo nakakaipon. At minsan, kinakapos pa tayo sa budget. Minsan, yung iba sa atin ay na magdagdag o kaya maghanap ng opportunity. Kasi nga, hindi natin linya. O kaya, ma-pride tayo dahil nakagraduate na tayo. But my next question is, you settle with what you earn right now. That's good. But what about your family? Are they happy of what the lifestyle you are giving to them? Or baka yung income mo, para lang sa'yo sapat. Di ba, ba't ba tayo nagtatrabaho? Di ba, para naman sa kanila. Ang pamilya mo ba, masaya? Lahat naman tayo, gusto mo ibigay yung masarap na buhay para sa kanila. O sawa na kaya sila sa hirap? Yan yung reality, tama. Gusto mo ba talaga umasenso? If you always do what you've always done, you will always get what you've always got. Ibig sabihin, pag wala kang binago sa ginagawa mo ngayon, 10 years from now, yung nakukuha mo ngayon, yan din yung makukuha mo by that time. Sa mga nagsasabi namang maliit yung 2.5, yes, maliit yung 2.5, pero di mo ba alam na sobrang dami ng nabagong buhay ng SWA Ultimate dahil sa 2.5 na yan? So, come to think of it, what if your money, you will put it in a bank or iwanan mo for 1 year kasi ayaw mo nga i-invest dito, ayaw mo mag-risk. Ang tanong, magkano ang interest na tutubuin ng pera mo? Ni baka nga burger meal, hindi makabili yung interest, di ba? Let me advise you one thing. Don't ever regret on money that you will invest here in this program. Alam mo kung bakit? Before ako dun sumali sa SWA, wala naman talaga akong pera. Yung pinang-join ko, pinanghiram ko pa. Then, that time talagang yung pera ko hundreds na lang. Wala rin akong work that time. Pero, I took the risk na sumali sa SWA. You know what? Life is really exciting if you take the risk. Life is boring if we don't take the risk. At di ko akalain na yung risk na ginawa ko noon, yun na pala yung sagot para maabot yung mga pangarap ko. Through SWA, minsan yung iba sa atin, sobrang daming rason ba't tayo naghihirap o pinakapos. Walang increase yung company ko, mahina ako, hindi ako magaling dyan, at kung ano-ano pang rason meron tayo. So, paano ko talaga asenso niyan pag puro ka rason? Always remember that you can either make money or excuses, but you can never make money out of your excuses. So now, let me advise you, change the way you think. Change your mindset about money and dream big again. Let me ask you this question. Who is stopping you to earn 100,000 per month? Is it your job or yung pinagkakakitaan mo? Simple lang, magdagdag ka. Then seek for opportunity. Lumabas ka, maghanap ka. Dagdagan mo yung pinagkakakitaan mo. Why settle for less if God prepared your life for the best? You really have to seek for opportunity. You know what? The greatest achievement that I have in this program is that it's not the money at all that I've earned, but the fulfilled purpose na maging channel ka ng blessing para sa iba or para sa'yo. Yun yung kagandahan na habang ginagawa ko to, nagiging blessing ako dun sa ibang tao. Na talagang nababago ang buhay ng mga taong sumasali dito. Right now, grabe lang kasi, nakaka-amaze kasi yung mga nagtiwala at naniwala noon at sumali dito sa program, sila na rin mismo kumikita ngayon. Wherein almost 100 people na ang kumikita ng 100,000 in just few months lang dito sa program. At the same time, almost 1,000 people wherein kumikita ng extra income na 10 to 20,000 per month on top of their earnings, bukod pa dun sa mga trabaho nila. Na ito, ginagawa lang nila sa spare time nila or nasa bahay lang sila.
Actually, aside from me, there are people who earn much than I do. My achievements here in SWA Ultimate is just a small piece of cake compared to them. To name a few, I have here Francis Javier, wherein he is the first member who joined SWA Ultimate and a co-founder of this program, that even for 16 years of his experience in network marketing, he only tastes the word time freedom in this opportunity, and in less than a year, he had his ultimate pickup, Toyota Hilux, and he can be with his family 24/7, he can have quality time with them, at the same time enjoying the financial success and time freedom here in SWA Ultimate. And the next, I have here my friend Jeffrey Perez, who shared this opportunity to me. I am really thankful to this man who shared this program. Before, he is just an easy-go-lucky guy and addicted to computer games, but to his achievement, who would have thought that this undergrad person can really be a millionaire at home? When this opportunity started, he earned almost $1,000 in just 2 weeks. And in all gadget incentives in SWA, all of the incentives he always qualified. First, Samsung G Note. Second, Sony Vaio laptop. Third, D5100 Nikon DSLR camera. All for free as achievers incentives. He managed also to renovate his entire house, and the latest and ultimate achievement that he had, he is the first member in SWA Ultimate to have his own car through this online program. An Isuzu Crosswind, definitely an ordinary person who is really earning extraordinary income, a total of 1.2 million in just less than a year. And lastly, my friend as well, Romel Aguas, wherein take note, after he joined SWA Ultimate, he is the only person to earn almost $2,000 in just 1 month right after he joined. He bought also 2 iPhone 4S, an unstoppables amazing result that in just less than 6 months, he earned 350,000 pesos without even going out to work. This opportunity is really for everyone, whoever you are, from ordinary people who can have the chance to earn extraordinary breakthroughs only here in SWA Ultimate.
On the other side, yung achievements on the earnings namin dito sa SWA is just the bonuses na nakukuha namin. Ibig sabihin lang nun, why we earned a lot in this program is because God provided us this opportunity wherein giving us the ability to produce wealth. And at the same time, the reason why we are sharing this opportunity is that we want to share the blessings that we have in this program. And we will never get tired in spreading and sharing this opportunity and giving hope to others as well. Dito sa SWA, you know what? We only share opportunity. It's up to you. Kung mag-join ka, if di ka interested, okay lang. At least you share this opportunity to you. So, ibig sabihin, sumali ka man o hindi, tuloy-tuloy kami. Nasa sa'yo yung desisyon. But, let me advise you to be bold enough to take the risk. Kumbaga, yung 2.5 na yan, pera lang yan. Pwede mo rin yan kitain bukas, next week, next month, pagkasahod mo. Pero yung oras, na ito ngayon, nakikita mo na yung opportunity. Once na pinalagpas mo pa, yung oras di mo na mababalik. Who knows, once you try this, maybe you will earn more than what we achieve. Unsolicited advice, this is very important. I want you to realize that you have the potential to become successful in life, regardless of what your situation right now, regardless of what your past is, regardless kung ano man yung nararanasan mo ngayon. You have to believe in yourself that you can do something extraordinary and believe God that He will bless you in whatever you do. And it is okay if you let this opportunity pass you by. But one thing, the next opportunity that comes your way, regardless whatever it is, you must grab it. You know what? There is no such thing as overnight success. You have to try and try. You may fail sometimes, it's normal. It's not how many times you fail that matters, but it's about how many times you get up and move on, living your life to the fullest.
Lastly, I want to leave you with these important messages. First, you have to trust God that He is right now answering your prayers, that you are here right now, spotting the right opportunity. So all you have to do is act on it and join ASA. Second, all you have to do is trust yourself and believe in yourself that you can really earn big as well, like we do. Or who knows, you can do better than us and earn much more than what we earn if you will just try this program. Third, trust SWA Ultimate that God will be using this program to be the channel of blessing for you. You are so blessed in just watching this video. You know why? In SWS report as of the moment, more than 14 million Filipino graduates struggling to find a job. So this is the right opportunity for you to grab, that you don't need a lot of requirements like diploma, transcript of records, to graduate in reputable schools, NBI clearance, and a lot more. Because what you really need to do is just join. Regardless who you are very much welcome as long as you are the person who wants to become successful. The best thing I like in this opportunity is that we don't have discrimination, because even deaf and mute people are welcome to join, and giving them hope to become successful as well. That's the best thing we can share to them through this program. And lastly, trust your SWA family, that we will be your business partners, most especially the person who shared this video to you. Actually, in this opportunity, it's just a matter of trust. I am not here to ruin my name for the sake of 2,500 pesos. Actually, I have here proof of payments of the people who joined already, and I extend my thanks for those who trusted me to process their payments. These are the payment proofs through M. Luwilier, Cebuana Luwilier, and Western Union, wherein total amount of the payment is more or less 400,000 pesos, or 100 to 150 people who really trusted me. But if you have still doubt, and you don't trust me or this opportunity, it's okay, I respect that. But if you will give us your trust, you are very much welcome to be the next in line in this program.
So maybe some of you will ask kung Johnny, madali ba yan gawin or mahirap gawin? So to tell you, hindi siya madaling gawin. Itong business natin, itong SWA Ultimate, parang business mo rin yan. Parang trabaho mo rin yan. For example, yung business mo, hindi mo binuksan for almost a month. Ibig sabihin, in 1 month, wala ka rin kita. Pag yung trabaho mo, hindi ka pumasok for a week, umabsent ka, automatic kaltas sweldo, wala ka rin kita. So dito sa business natin, kailangan mo rin trabahuin. May gagawin din tayo. Then, some of you, mahirap ba gawin yan? Hindi rin. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi, all you need is to have the internet. PC or laptop, then you're good to go to run your business. Ang kagandahan pa dito, pwede mo siyang gawin na nasa bahay ka lang. Kaya ako, nasa bahay lang ako. Pwede mo gawin sa office mo. or kahit saan pwede mo gawin as long as you have the internet access. Then, the next thing is that hindi rin siya mahirap kasi hindi mo na kailangan pumila sa MRT, makipagsiksikan, pagpasok, tsaka pag-uwian. Walang transportation expenses. Pagkagising mo, pwede mo na siyang gawin. Sobrang laking benefits. Kumbaga, itong SWA Ultimate program, it is really perfect for those people na gusto umasenso. At the same time, they have that time freedom. Kumbaga yung SWA Ultimate sakto lang. Sakto lang siya wherein sa sakto na yon, saktong trabaho, saktong effort, but then, you will have that extraordinary income. Pwede mabago buhay mo, you have the time freedom to be with the family, kahit kailan pwede mo gawin, madaling araw, gabi, umaga. At the same time, you have that potential na pwede kang kumita ng malaki sa saktong effort lang. So, kagandahan pa dito, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-resign sa ginagawa mo ngayon or itigil yung mga ginagawa mo. May business ka or may trabaho ka, estudyante ka, hindi mo kailangan itigil. All you have to do is add this opportunity. Dagdag mo lang. At the same time, syempre, gaya ng sinabi natin, pag may dinagdag ka, may dagdag income din. So, ganun yung bottom line ng business natin. Alam mo, kung pwede nga lang yung mata ko, ipahiram ko sa'yo, yung utak ko, ipahiram ko sa'yo, kung gaano mo nakita itong SWA Ultimate, para makita mo rin, para after mo mapanood tong video na ito ngayon, join ka na kagad. Kontakin mo na kagad yung referrer mo para kausapin mo na siya kung paano yung next step. Hoping that you will be part of the SWA family. So, thank you and God bless. Looking forward for you to be here in SWA. Be the Superman here in SWA. Join us now.
Gusto ko na kapamali, paano po ba?
Great! As soon as you finish watching this video, contact the person who shared this to you. You can go back to the page where you have seen the link which directed you here. He or she will be the one to guide you in the process of joining. Opportunity knocks only once. As of now, a lot of people are also watching this video. It's up to you whether you want to grab it ASAP or just let it pass. Actually, after 8 months that SWA dominates the online world, the average number of people who joins daily climbs up to almost 100 people per day worldwide, and it's already becoming viral where people really coming after us to join. Are you willing to be the next in line? So better yet, take advantage of this system as you secure your slot in the company. Your decision today will affect your tomorrow. Have no time to waste time. You'll never know what SWA Ultimate can do in your life unless you try. Maybe this is the perfect opportunity that you've been praying for so long. We are not here to convince you, but we are only here to share this so amazing opportunity of a lifetime. Thank you for your time watching this video up to this part. I know you are the right person that fits this online opportunity. The decision is in your hands. Choose the right one. We are looking forward to have you as part of our SWA family. Say yes to success. Hurry, join us now and be ready to become successful. Thank you and to God be the glory.